Lighting shapes the way we experience the world. It improves safety, enhances environments, and connects communities. At BEKA Schréder, we are proud to be Africa's leading manufacturer of luminaires and glass fiber reinforced polyester poles. Our purpose is simple: to deliver optimal lighting solutions through precision engineering, innovative design, and advanced technology. By continuously refining optical and mechanical performance, we create intelligent, sustainable lighting systems that reduce energy consumption and lower the total cost of ownership. Through continuous research and development, we ensure the mechanical strength, thermal performance, and long-term reliability of every product we deliver. Our journey began in 1978 in Namibia, one of the world's most corrosive environments. From extreme temperatures and corrosive coastlines to remote locations and critical infrastructure, our solutions were built to perform where it matters most. From the very beginning, we focused on durability, developing corrosion-resistant poles and luminaires designed to withstand the harshest coastal and inland environments, engineered in Africa for Africa's demanding conditions. In 1989, we became the first lighting company in South Africa to achieve ISO 9001 certification, setting a benchmark for quality in the industry. Today, we continue to uphold internationally recognized standards, including ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, reinforcing our commitment to quality and environmental responsibility. Behind every solution is a team of dedicated people, from engineers and designers to technicians, operators, and support teams, and our dedicated sales professionals working closely with customers. Our people are the driving force behind everything we do. Their expertise, commitment, and passion ensure that every luminaire leaving our factory meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. Our partnership with Schréder, established in 2002, expanded our global reach and technological capabilities. By 2013, as a wholly owned subsidiary, we gained access to world-class innovation, particularly in advanced light control systems. We design lighting solutions that enhance safety, well-being, and sustainability across a wide range of applications: smart and connected systems, solar lighting, urban and roadway infrastructure, architectural and ambience lighting, industrial and commercial spaces, floodlighting, and emergency solutions. We work closely with customers, consultants, contractors, and municipalities, delivering more than just products, but complete lighting solutions. Through trusted partnerships, technical expertise, and ongoing support, we remain involved throughout the full life cycle of every project. Because great lighting does more than illuminate. It protects people, it empowers communities, and helps build a safer, more sustainable future together.